With us, you're watching Nation at 5 with me, Poonam Burde. We have some breaking information that's now coming in. This is to do with counting day in Bihar tomorrow. Election Commission has now issued guidelines as far as counting of votes in Bihar goes. The Election Commission in a statement says, do not believe in any rumors or unofficial sources regarding the counting of votes. Trends and results will be published on the official website. The counting will begin at 8 a.m. is what the poll panel has now gone on to confirm. Arunima, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details. Arunima, the Election Commission there going on record to say that only the Election Commission's website is the place to look at as far as trends or results in Bihar tomorrow are concerned.
Yes, and this is important because already here in Patna, RJD especially is talking about, election being stolen. It is raising doubts over the manner in which the counting process will be conducted tomorrow. So in the backdrop of those comments, Election Commission is warning everyone to not believe in any rumor or any unofficial source of information. Just rely on the official source of information that will be conveyed via the Election Commission website. Also, Election Commission making it very clear there are always doubts about postal ballot counting. So the postal ballot counting will begin first. And the process at 243 counting centers, how it will be foolproof, all of that have been enumerated by Election Commission, trying to ensure that there is no doubt in the mind of the Bihar voters specifically just before counting day.
Arunima, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. CNN News 18 is going to be your destination for the most accurate numbers once counting begins tomorrow in Bihar. All 243 seats did vote in two phases. The verdict is going to be out tomorrow, and we here on CNN News 18 are going to ensure that you have the most accurate results as the Election Commission puts them out.